In this video, we're going to learn how to evaluate definite integrals. So like in this case, we have find the value of the integral of 3x power 5 plus 3x power 3 minus 2 with respect to x from 1 to 2. So definite integrals just involve integrals that works within a limit. So you have been given to integrate from this point to this point. Like in this case, it's from 1 to 2. The first thing we do is just integrate normally. So we have 3x, and that x is raised to the power 5. So you increase the power by 1, and then you divide by the new power, then plus, the next one is 3x raised to the power 3, increase that power by 1, and then divide by that new power, minus, so you have to see 2 as having x power 0, so that you add 1 over that new power, and then you add a constant of integration. Remember, it is important to add a constant of integration to stand for any other constant that might have been there. So after this, we just indicate the limits of integration, that is from 1 to 2. So let us simplify this. So when we simplify this, we're going to find that this is 3x power 6 over 6 plus 3x power 4 over 4 minus 2x over 1 plus c. So again, we indicate the limits of integration, that is from 1 to 2. So the next thing here is just to substitute the values of x when it is 2, and then we subtract when it is 1. So it means we're going to have 3. No, we can first of all actually simplify this so that we have, that is x power 6 over 2 plus 3x power 4 over 4 minus 2x plus c. So that is from 1 to 2. So now we can substitute. So for us to get this, we just substitute when x is 2, and then we subtract when x is 1. Okay, so let us do that. So we are going to take x power 6, that is now 2 power 6 over 2 plus 3 into 2, and this time it is to power 4 over 4 minus 2 into 2, then plus c. So we want to subtract when x is 1. So we want to have 1 power 6 over 2 plus 3 into 1 power 4 over 4 minus 2 into 1, now plus c. So if we simplify this, this is going to be 2 raised to the power 6 is 64, and that is over 2 plus 3 times 2 raised to the power 4, that will be 48, that is over 4, minus 2 times 2, which is 4, now plus the constant of integration. Then you subtract 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4 minus 2, then plus c. So if we simplify both of these, you're going to find that the first one is going to be 40 plus c minus this side will be negative 3/4 plus c. So when we open up this bracket, we can collect the like terms so that we have 40. So minus minus, that will be plus 3 over 4 and plus c minus c. So c and c will cancel so that you are left with this will be 40 and 3 over 4 as the value of that integral.